Ayan, cow. Oh. Mamaya daw, dito kami kakain mamaya. Kasi hinihintay namin yung mga amo namin, yung amo ko. Kasi mamaya pa silang mga 7 darating guys. Ayan. Ha? But guys, we cannot go inside until we haven't booked the thing. But they ask, you know, there's so shiny. You go inside to sit very long, and then we never order yet. We wait for your mama. If you want, we can sit there for a while to wait for your mama and papa. Ayan, oh. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. Hindi, original yata yung base. Go where? Hey! No, go down anymore. I'm so tired. Keep following you. Pasaway mga alaga ko na to. No, we not going down. Gusto nila pumunta sa lobby.